First of all, thanks for being part of this video. In this video, we are going to see the day 45 daily score booster questions, and we are starting with the simplifications. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Let's get started. Question number 1. 4.2 into 3.5 into 80 equals question mark into 5. Let's write as 4.2 into 3.5 into 8 into, instead of this 0 we will divide this with the 5 two times, so we get into 2 equals to x. 3.5 into 2 will be 7, so 4.2 into 7 into 8, 7 2 times 14, 7 4 times 28, 29 into 8, 8 4 times 32, 8 9 times 72, 75, 16, 23, 235.2 is our answer. Option B is our answer. Next, second question. 3 by 7 of 1638. 7 2 times is 14. 23 means 3 times 21. 4 times is 28. 3 4 times 12. 3 3 times 9 10. 3 2 times 6 7. 702 plus, wait a second, we got 702 here. From half means into 5 by 9 into 144 divided by 13. 13 5 times 65, we get 52. 4 times 9 6 times, so what we left is 6 5 times is 30. 30 into 144, 30 into 144. 3 4 times 12, 3 4 times 12, 13. 3 4 times 3 1 time is 1 300 plus 1 4320 is our answer. So option A is our answer. Next, third question. To solve this one, we need to know the values of squares. 1089 is a value of 33 square value, and 729 is 27 square value, minus 1681 which is 41 square value. So by this we get 10 minus 1 which will be 9, 5 minus 4 which will be 1. So answer is 19. Option D is our answer. Next, fourth one. 48% of 750. Instead of this one, I'll write this as 480 into 75 percentage. 75 percentage is nothing but 3/4. 3/4 means 4. 120 times 23 times 123 times will be 360. 360 plus x equals to, here we get 717 minus 360, we get 753. 357 is our answer. Option B is our answer. Next, fifth question. Cube root of 24389. So unit digit is 9. So unit digit is 9. Leaving 3 digits 24. Nearest cube, which will be 2 cube 8. 3 cube 27. So greater than this number. So it will take 2 cube. So answer for this one is 29 into 6724. Unit digit is 4. Means we get either 2 or 8 at the unit digit. Leaving 2 digits, we have 67. 67 means 8 square 64. Nearest square is 8 square, so we'll take 8. We know 85 square value is 8 9 times 72 to 5 square 25. So 85 square value is 7225. But this number is lesser than 85 square, so answer will be 82. So 29 into 82. We write this 29 as 30 minus 1 into 82. 3 2 times 6, 3 8 times 24, minus 1 means minus 82. We get 8. This will be 732 plus 49 square value is 2401. So by combining these two, we get 9774. 4779 is our answer. Option A is our answer. Now we are going to see quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. First question. Here plus and plus, minus and plus, so the roots are here in negative, here the roots are positive. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is less than y. Let's see this one. 7 12 times is 84. 84 means here 20, 84, 16, 14 6 times is 20 by 84. So we get 20. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive. Here we have 4 into 24, which will be 96. 12 8 times is 96. Minus and plus means the roots are in positive. To make the base equal, we need to multiply this with 4, this with 7. So 8 times 56, 7 12 times 84. 4 6 times 24, 4 14 times will be 56. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is lesser than or equals to y. Next, third question. Here we have 2 into 45, which will be 90. 10 9 times is 90. Minus and plus means plus. Both are in positive. Here 48. 12 4 times is 48. Plus minus means minus and plus are the roots. To make the base equal, we need to multiply this with 2. Plus 8 and minus 24. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that x is greater than y. Next, fourth question. Here I can see sum of these two is in between them, so it is 62 11 times, and subtraction of these two we get to 51. So these are the roots. 62 and 11 are the roots. Plus and minus means minus and plus are the roots. Here we have 72. 9 8 times is 72. So minus and plus means the roots are in positive. Now by comparing these two, it is clear that these two numbers are comes in between these two numbers. So x is greater than y and x lesser than y comes here. So no relation is established in between these two equations. Let's see fifth one. Fifth one, this will be 4 into, let's write this as 15 2 times, 15 4 times into 4. Okay, let's write this as 2 into 8 into 15, like this. 15 2 times 30, no, let's write this as 12 5 times, and 4 5 times is 20. So 20 and 12 are the roots. Minus and plus means both are in positive. Here y value, y square value is 4761. It is near to 4900. 4900 is a 70 square. So I know 75 65 square as 76 times 40 to 25. This number is in between these two and unit digit is 1, means the value of this one is y value is plus or minus 69. So plus 69 and minus 69 are the roots for this one. So to make the base equal, we need to multiply this with the 4. If we multiply this with 4, 9 4 times is 36, 6 4 times 24 and 27. This will be 276. Now comparing these two, it is clear that these two numbers comes in between these two numbers. So x greater than y and x lesser than y comes here. So no relation is established in between these two equations. Okay. Now we are going to see wrong number series. Wrong number series, first question. Here let's see the differences. Here the difference is 2, 6, 12, 20 and 27. Let's see double differences. 4, 6, 8. So it must be the difference of 10. It is not. So this is our wrong number. Next, second question. Let's see the differences. Here the difference is plus 37. Here the difference is minus 41, plus 43, minus 47. Here the difference is plus 49. Now it is clear that these are prime numbers, but this is not a prime number, so this is a wrong number. Let's see this one. It looks like divided by 8 times. 24 divided by 8 times. No, 24 divided by 6 times. We get a 400. Let's this be 400 divided by 5 times, which will be get by 80 divided by 4 times, divided by 3 times. It is divided by 2 times. So our wrong number is this one. 394 is our wrong number. Next, in this case, it is half. It is into 1 times, into 2 times, into 4 times. So it must be into 8 times. 7 6 times 48, 56 60, 14. So it is also true. It must be into 16 times. 8 6 times is 48, but here we have 6. So this is a wrong number. Let's see this one. Here the difference is 8. Here the difference is minus 17. Here the difference is minus 17. Here the difference is minus 17. Here also 17. So now it is our wrong number. So this is our wrong number. Now we are going to solve missing number series. First question. Here we see it is into 2 times plus 2. It is into 2 times 32. Wait, 62 times 12. 12 plus 4. Okay. It is into 2 plus 6. Let's take this as into 2 plus 8. 38 2 times will be 76. 76 plus 8 will be 84. 84. 84 into 2 times plus 10. This will be 168 plus 10, 178. So 84 is our answer. Option D is our answer. Next, fourth question, second question. Here it is clear that the difference between these two is 17. Here the difference is 26. Here the difference is 65. So these numbers are familiar to me as 4 square plus 1, 5 square plus 1. This is 8 square plus 1. So here it must be 6 square plus 1, 7 square plus 1. 6 square plus 1 means 37, and here it is 50. So 62 plus 37 will be 99. 99 plus 50 will be 149. So answer will be option A. Next, third one. Here we are going to see the differences. Here the difference is minus 64. Here the difference is 100. Here the difference is 6 5 to 256. So it is 8 square, 10 square, 16 square. So here must be 12 square. Here must be 14 square. 144 minus, we get 3 1 1 9. 9113 is our answer. Option B is our answer. Next, fourth question. Here we see the difference of 48. Here we see the difference of 6 9, double of this one. Here we see the difference of 8 6 7. So let's take the different double of 96, which will be 2 192. 192 double times will be 4 384. 384 double times will be 768. So 269 plus 192 will be 110 16 461. 461 is our answer. Option C is our answer. Next, fifth question. Here we see this is into 5 plus 4. This is 14 becomes 56 into 4, which will be 36 at the end. 40 means 56 plus 5. So into 5 plus 4, it is into 4 plus 5. Let's see this one. Into 4, 8 plus 5. So into 4 plus 5 into 5 plus 4. So it must be into 4 plus 5. 9, 4, 36. 6 4 times 24, 27 plus 5 will be 281. 281 into 5 plus 4. Unit digit 5 plus 1, 5. 5 1 times 5. 5 plus 4 will be 9. So 281 is our answer. Option A is our answer. Now we are going to see inequalities. Inequalities, first question. How we solve inequalities is we use the flow method. If we see a symbol like this, we always says that we flow from this side to this side. If we see a symbol like this, we flow from this side to this side. If there is a flow and another symbol comes this way, there is a stop in between these two, so we cannot able to flow from this side to this side. So these are the concepts we use in inequalities. Let's start with the questions. First question, uh, first conclusion. The flow from y to u, from y we can reach to u, it is possible. So first conclusion will be true. Second conclusion, the flow from n to h, from n we can reach to u, but none of the other is possible. So second conclusion will be false. Second question, the flow from G to Q, from G we cannot able to reach to Q, so first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from O to H, from O we can reach to K but not to H, second conclusion is false. Next, third one, the flow from Z to D, from Z we can reach to W but not to D, so first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, the flow from Z to D with everywhere equals to, from Z to D we cannot able to reach, so second conclusion will be false. Here in both cases Z is greater, so it is neither nor is the answer for this one. Neither one nor two is the answer for this question. Next, fourth one, the flow from B to K, from B we can reach to H but not to K, so second conclusion will be false. First conclusion, C is equals to H. C is here and H is here. It is not possible. So first conclusion is also false. Let's see fifth one. The flow from W to C. From W we can reach to I, Z, X and C. So it is possible. First conclusion is true. Second conclusion. The flow from Z to J to Z. From J we can reach up to C but not able to reach to Z. So second conclusion will be false. Now we are going to see syllogisms. Syllogisms, first question. Only a few table or chair. Only a few table or chair. Some chair are a furniture. All furniture is sofa. Let's see conclusions. All table can never be chair. We check here, we see never here. So we check all table can be chair or not. All table can place inside chair. No, it is not possible. So all case fails means all never case will be true. So first conclusion will be true. Let's see second conclusion. All sofa is chair. So all sofa is inside the chair. No, it is not like that in our basic Venn diagram. So second conclusion will be false. Let's see second question. All lab is research. All lab is research. Only a few research is chemical. No chemical is scientist. Conclusion. Some lab being not a chemical is a possibility. Here we see not. So leave this not. Some lab being chemical is a possible. Some lab being chemical is possible. Yes, it is possible. And it is saying that not possible. So we check possibility is true. So and it is saying not. So first conclusion will be false. because it can share some part of L with the chemical. It is possible. So first conclusion will be false. Second one, all research can never be scientist. We see never here. So we check all research can be scientist or not. All research can be placed inside scientist. It is not possible because of this part. So all case fails means all never case will be true. Let's see third one. Third question. Only a few end is a street. Start. All start is restaurant. Restart. No restart is a shut. Let's see conclusions. Some start can be shut. Some part of a start sharing with a shut can, it is also not possible. So first conclusion will be false. Second conclusion, all end can be shut. Start. All end can be start. All end can be placed inside start. Is it possible? No, it is not possible. Second conclusion is false. Now we are going to see fourth question. Fourth question. Some plums are cherry. All cherries are strawberries. Only a few pears are strawberries. Let's see conclusions. First conclusion. All plum are pear. All plum can be placed inside pear. And it is a direct conclusion. All plum is inside pear. No. First conclusion will be false. Second conclusion. No plum is pear. So we check some plum can be pear or not. Some plum can share with pear. Some case is possible here. Some case possible means no case will be false. Here first statement is positive and second statement is negative with the same words. But all and no is not a complementary pair. So the answer for this one is neither one nor two. Nor two is the answer for this one. Let's see fifth question. Only a few rings are earrings. Next, no bangle is ring. Every earring is necklace means all earring is a necklace. Let's see conclusions. Few rings being necklace is a possibility. Some rings being necklace. Some rings being necklace is a possibility. It is already sharing some part with necklace. So saying possibility means false. Second one. Some earrings can never. We see never here. So we check all earrings can be bangles. All earrings can be bangles. No, all earrings cannot be placed inside bangles. So all case fails means some never case will be true. Second conclusion is true. Now we are going to solve a reasoning puzzle. So let's see this puzzle. 8 people are sitting in a linear row and facing north. Why 8 sits third to the left of 6? 8 sits third to the left of 6. The number of people sitting to the right of 8 is equals to 1 more than the number of people sitting to the left of 1. 1 more than the left of 1. Okay. Next, y2 sits to the left of y3. Left of 3 is 2, but to the right of 5, but refers to y2. Y2 is to the right of 5. So this is 1. Okay, next. 5 who does not sit at the extreme end. So in the left of 5 there is a persons. Only one person sit between y6 and 4. So one person between 6 and 4. Let's start with here. Either here or another possibility we have here. Okay. 4 who sits second from one of the extreme end. 4 is second means from this side it is the second place. In this case it is second place. Third, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So next 7 sits second to the left of 1. Second to the left of 1 is 7. Now what we have is 8 right side is equals to 1 more than the 1 left side. 8 right side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 minus 1 which will be 5. 5 to the left of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is place for 1. In this case 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 minus 1 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is place for 1. Now if we got 1 means we can place 7. So 7 place is here. 7 place is here. Next we got 7 and 1 also. Only we left with 5, 2, 3. We can place 3, 2, 5. 5 does not be sits at the extreme end. So this case fails. In this case we place 5, 2, 3. So this is the solution of our puzzle. Let's see the questions that are asked. If all the people are made to sit in alphabetical order from right to left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then how many people remains unchanged in their positions? Only 8. So answer is only 1. Option A is our answer. Next, second question. Who among the following people sits between 5 and 1? 5 and 1. 6, 7 and 2. 6 and 2 sits between them. 1 and 2 is our answer. Option D is our answer. Okay. Next, third question. What is the position of 4 with respect to 2? 4 with respect to 2. 1, 2, 3. Fourth to the left. Fourth to the left. Option E. Next, fourth question. Who among the following pair of people are sitting at the ends of the row? 8 and 3. 8 and 3 means option B. Next one, fifth question. Which of the following statement is true as per the given arrangement? 3 second to the one of the extreme end. 3 second, no. 7 immediate right of 6. Yes, second one, B is possible. 4 and 5 are immediate neighbors. 4 and 5 are immediate neighbors. So both B and C is our answer. Option E is our answer. By this we have completed today's daily score booster questions. If you are new to my channel, please do like, share and subscribe and click on the bell icon to get instant notification about my videos. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.